Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Today, 10th of August 2020. Subject GK, Class LKG. Today, we will read chapter Cartoon Character. Childhood days are full of imaginations and dreams. Cartoon, just like kids, narrate innocent stories. Children love cartoons. Cartoons are friendly, inviting, colorful, lively. And children love shapes and anything that's super colorful and has high pitched voice. A cartoon is a humorous drawing in newspaper or magazine. Some are most famous cartoon characters in this world. These names are Spider-Man, Scooby-Doo, Mickey Mouse, Superman, Donald Duck, Powerpuff Girls, Batman, Shin Chan, Doraemon, Tom, Jerry, Chhota Bheem, Ben 10. These are the cartoon character. Now we will read next chapter, parts of computer. Children, do you know what is computer? Computer it is an electronic device. In this lesson you will learn about the main part of the computer. So children, we all know that our body is made up different parts like eyes, ears, nose, hand and legs. Similarly, a computer also consists of various parts that help in its working. Let's learn about the different part of the computer. A computer has many parts like monitor, CPU, mouse, keyboard, UPS, speaker, printer, modem, motherboard. Let us learn about their part one by one. Monitor. A monitor looks like a television screen. It displays what we are doing on the computer. We can see movie, play games using monitor. Have you seen a black box attached to your computer? That's black box known as CPU. CPU is the brain of the computer. Just as your brain control all the different part of the body and make work together, the CPU control all other part of the computer are connected to CPU. Just as one our brain store a lot of information, the CPU is also the storehouse all the information in the computer. Keyboard. A keyboard is same as keypad attached with calculators and mobile. It is made up of several small button called key. Just as you use a pencil to write on a paper, a computer also need to a keyboard to tell what to do. You can easily type any alphabet number using a keyboard and it will display on the screen of monitor. Mouse. Computer mouse look like a real mouse. It has two buttons and scroll wheels. It is the pointing device that controls the movement of a pointed arrow on the screen. A mouse is used for clicking and selecting file and folder display on the screen. Printer. A printer is a device that help you print on a paper what you seen on monitor. Speaker. Speaker are used to listening music on the computer. UPS. A device that provide battery backup when the electricity power fails. Small UPS system provide power for a few minutes. Then next is modem. A modem is a physical hardware device that function to receive data from an internet. Last one is motherboard. A motherboard is one of the most important part of computer system, including the CPU, memory and connectors for input and output device. So children, I hope you understood all. Next of the topic we will continue in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.